Morning everyone, Cyprienne here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute crochet heart with a very easy picot edging along it. So the materials that you'll need today is a worsted weight yarn. I'm using the Caron Cakes Cotton here. A 4mm hook and a stitch marker is always recommended. So this heart is going to be about 4 inches across using these materials here. So we're going to start with a slip knot, and then the next thing that we're going to be doing is chaining 15. Now that you have completed your chain of 15, we're going to be working 3 single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Now you will be working 1 single crochet into the next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you'll be skipping over the next 2 chains, and that's going to create or start to create the V shape at the bottom of the heart. And you're going to be working 1 single crochet into the next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, we're going to be working 3 single crochets into the last chain. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now working along the bottom side of the chain, we're going to be working 1 single crochet into the next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then working into the chain 2 space, we're going to place 1 single crochet, chain 2, and 1 single crochet again. Working along, we're going to work 1 single crochet into the last 5 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So once you've completed round 1, you should have 30 stitches altogether. Okay, on to round 2. We will be working 2 single crochet in the first 3 stitches. Just 1 and 2. In the second stitch now, let's put our stitch marker in. It's going to make it a lot easier to find the start of our round. Now working in that second stitch, we're going to place another 2 single crochets. And then in the third stitch, we'll place the last 2 single crochets. Now we're going to be working 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then again, we're going to be skipping over the next 2 stitches. 1, 2. Work 1 single crochet there and into the next 3. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you're going to be working 2 single crochets into the next 3 stitches. That's 1, and work another one back into that stitch, 2, another 2 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 and 2, and one more time, 1 and 2. Now you're going to be working 1 single crochet into the next 6 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then working in the chain 2 space, you're going to work 1 single crochet. That's 1, chain 2, 1 single crochet back in there again. And then you're going to be working 1 single crochet in the next 6 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So at the end of round 2, you'll have 36 stitches. Okay, moving on to round 3. We're going to be working 2 single crochet in the first 6 stitches. That's 1, 2. Now working into your second stitch, remember to put your stitch marker back in. In the second stitch, that's 1 and 2. In your third stitch, 1 and 2. In the fourth stitch, that's 1 and 2. In the fifth stitch, it's 1 and 2. And in the sixth stitch, working 2 more, 1 and 2. Now we're going to be working 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. That's 1, 2, and 3. Then we're going to be skipping over the next 2 stitches and working a single crochet in the next 3. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Then once again, we're going to work 2 single crochet in the next 6 stitches. So that's 2 in that one. 1, oops, that's 1 and 2 in the second stitch, 1, 2 in the third stitch, 1 and 2 in the fourth stitch, 1 and 2 in the fifth stitch, and one more time. That's 1 and 2 in the sixth stitch. Now we're going to work 1 single crochet in the next 7 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then in the chain 2 space, we're going to work 1 single crochet, 2 chains, 1, 2, and 1 single crochet again. Then we're going to be working 1 single crochet in the last 7 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now that you're finished round 3, you should have 48 stitches. Moving on, we're going to do 1 single crochet in the first 6 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we're going to work 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. That's 1, 2, the next stitch, 1, 2. Then you're going to work 1 single crochet in the next 6 stitches. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then you're just going to skip over the next 2 stitches and single crochet in the next 6 stitches. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then you're going to work 2 single crochet into the next 2 stitches. That's 1, 2, and then 2 crochet in the next, 1 and 2. Then you're going to be working 1 single crochet in the next 14 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. In the chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet, chain 2, and 1 single crochet right into the chain 2 space. Then you're going to be working 1 single crochet the last 9 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so now we're done. The last thing that we're going to do is just fasten off our yarn, and then we're ready to start our picot edging if you want, or you can just leave it plain. So all I'm doing here is just attaching coordinating yarn. I'm using the Caron cotton, the same. So I'm just attaching that at the bottom point of the heart with a slip stitch, and then I'm working another slip stitch in the next stitch and chaining 2 immediately. Then working a slip stitch in the next stitch, another slip stitch in the next stitch, followed by chain 2. And you're going to do this all the way around until you meet at the bottom point of the heart. So I'll let you continue on with this, and I'll meet you there and show you what I did. Okay, so now that we're at the top middle part, we're actually just going to skip right over 2 chains again, exactly the way we did before, and that's going to stop our heart from sort of opening up and keeping a nice shape. So we're just going to join with a slip stitch, and we're going to chain 2 and work a slip stitch in the next, and then you're just going to repeat all the way to the bottom, and we'll meet you there to fasten off. Oh my goodness, okay, we're almost done. We're just going to do the last few picot stitches and fasten off. Okay, my friends, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope that you enjoyed making this heart with me, and I really appreciate you watching all the way to the end of this video. This video was pretty different from any ones that I've put out there before. I did a lot less talking, was a little bit more tired. I was editing at night. All in all, I think it turned out really well. I also have done a video for this frame that I'm showing here. I make a lot of these projects in my personal life, and I thought that you guys might enjoy making them too. So if you like something like that, make sure to leave me a comment below and let me know, or give this a thumbs up so that I know I'm doing everything right. And here's another little sneak peek of another project that I have on the go. It actually is done in film now, so if you want to see it, let me know. I'll finish editing it and get it out. So anyways, I think that's everything for today. I appreciate you making me part of your day, and until next time, bye-bye.